We underestimate the intelligence of birds, man. These little birds keep messing with Bo. Look, look, look. They know he can't reach right there. And when he barks at them, they like make sounds back at him. They just keep messing with him. It's so funny. They'll land on the ground and everything. Like right where he can't reach. They're smarter than him. They like teasing him. It's like they're making fun of him. They're like, oh my gosh, look at this stupid dog. Let's mess with him. Bo, you got birds? Bo, you playing with the birds?